In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Photopea. This process is very simple and allows you to use the interface in the language you are most comfortable with. Start by opening any project in Photopea so you can access the full interface. At the top of your screen, click on the More option. When the menu opens, hover your mouse over the Language option. A side menu will appear showing a long list of available languages. You can scroll through this list to explore all the supported languages provided by Photopea. Once you find the language you want, simply click on it. The interface will instantly update, and all menus and tools will switch to the selected language. If you accidentally choose a language you do not understand, you can repeat the same steps by clicking the rightmost menu again, hovering over the first option, and selecting a different language. This allows you to change languages at any time without affecting your project. And this is how you can change language in Photopea.